Hey everyone, in this set of videos, I'm going to show you how to set up your calendar, your personal calendar with Vortex. And to do that, we're also going to show you how to sync it with your Gmail or your Outlook calendar so you can get all the notifications in all of the places that you're familiar with them. Now, this video is going to focus on syncing your Gmail and your Outlook, and this is something that only has to be done once. So in subsequent videos, we're going to show you things that have to be done with every new calendar that you create. However, once the steps in this video are done, they're done. You don't have to do them again. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're actually going to set up our Google Calendar integration. We're logged here into our Vortex account, and we're going to come all the way down here on the left side, go to Settings, and then go to Integrations. And you're going to see a box up here where it has to connect your location's Google account. Now, what we're going to do here, for each person that is in, you're going to want to select their Google account. So we're going to hit Sign In with Google, and it's going to bring up a list of accounts. We're going to hit that and then give Lead Connector all of the access that it needs to sync everything up. We're going to hit Allow. And then when that's done, it's actually going to pop up a page like this. Now, the business that you're looking to link to this location, it's going to show you Google Business profiles that it can link. If you do not have a Google Business profile, you can ignore this page. But if you do have a Google Business profile, you can actually link up there as well. I'm going to pretend we don't have one now. So I will X out of that. And then your Google account is going to be connected. And then if you have a Google Analytics account, you can actually hook up your Google Analytics with your properties. And then this will also send all of your website data, all your landing page data to Google Analytics so you can better analyze your website traffic. Not really related to the calendar, but while you're here, you might as well select those and get that going anyway. Now, for anybody else, you'd have to sign in with another Google account if you wanted to add a second person here. Same thing, you would select their Google account, you would allow, and then what would happen there is now you're going to have multiple Google accounts. You'll see your Google account over here, and you'll have your secondary Google account, and for every person who has a calendar, you can sync their accounts. Now, if you don't have a Google account, if you want to hook up an Outlook account, you can actually do it at the individual level rather than at the company settings level. So to get into there, we're going to go into Settings, and then we're going to go into My Profile. And what this is here with My Profile, this is going to pull up your personal login. If you have other team members, you have other people on the account, they're going to have to log in and go to My Profile as well if they want to hook up their personal Outlook calendars. So what's going to happen now, as we come down, you'll come down here to where it says Outlook, and you'll see on an integration down here for Outlook where you can actually go in and click Connect, and it's going to pop a modal. I don't have an Outlook account personally, but what you would do is you would sign into your Microsoft account and sign into your Outlook account. It's fairly straightforward, and it would be a very similar process as hooking up your Google account to get that synced up. And once that's hooked up, you're going to be ready to move on to the next video because your calendars will be integrated and synced and ready to continue. I'll see you in the next video.